Safety Toolbox Talk number 380. Fire extinguisher common mistakes while using fire extinguishers. 1. Misidentifying the fire class. Mistake: using the wrong extinguisher on the wrong type of fire. Why it matters: certain extinguishers can make some fires worse. Example: using a water extinguisher, Class A, on a live electrical, Class C, or grease fire, Class K, can cause electrocution or splash fire. Best practice: always assess fire classification before engaging. Know your extinguishers: CO2, dry chemical, water, foam, etc. Memorize the fire triangle: fuel, oxygen, heat, and match it with the right agent. Two. Improper use of pass technique. Mistake: forgetting or misapplying the basic pass method. Pull the pin. Aim at the base. Squeeze the handle. Sweep side to side. Common errors: aiming too high at flames instead of the base. Not fully squeezing the handle, leading to partial discharge. Not sweeping side to side, results in incomplete extinguishment. Best practice: drill the pass technique until it's second nature under pressure. Three. Failing to assess the fire scene first. Mistake: rushing into fire suppression without evaluating the fire size. Checking for hazards, electrical sources, flammable vapors. Identifying egress routes. Why it matters: an extinguisher is meant for incipient stage fires. Anything beyond that needs hose lines or backup. Best practice: follow your department's risk assessment SOP. Never approach a fire without a clear escape route. Four. Getting too close or staying too far. Mistake: standing too close, risk of burns, splashback, or loss of visibility. Standing too far, the extinguishing agent doesn't reach the base of the fire. Best practice: know the extinguisher's effective range, usually 6 to 10 feet. Start from a safe distance and advance slowly while discharging. 5. Not fully discharging the extinguisher. Mistake: spraying in short bursts or stopping too early. Why it matters: partially extinguished fires can reignite rapidly. Best practice: fully empty the extinguisher if the fire is small and manageable, then back away and monitor the area for hot spots. Six. Over-reliance on the extinguisher. Mistake: believing an extinguisher is a fix-all tool. Reality: extinguishers have limited capacity, 10–20 seconds of discharge time. Best practice: use extinguishers only for incipient fires. Always have a secondary suppression method ready, e.g. hose line or backup extinguisher. 7. Neglecting to check the extinguisher before use. Mistake: grabbing an uncharged, damaged, or expired extinguisher. Why it happens: in high-stress environments, assumptions replace quick checks. Best practice: always check the pressure gauge, hose, pin seal, and label before use. Learn to identify tampering or faulty extinguishers in seconds. Eight. Blocking or turning your back on the exit. Mistake: advancing into a confined fire area without a clear retreat path. Consequence: trapped by fire or structural collapse. Best practice: always keep your back to the exit. Don't allow the fire to get between you and safety. 9. Ignoring ventilation and smoke behavior. Mistake: using an extinguisher in an enclosed, poorly ventilated area. Why it matters: CO2 extinguishers displace oxygen. Dry chemicals can reduce visibility to zero. You could become disoriented or suffocate. Best practice: always consider airflow and smoke dynamics. Coordinate ventilation if needed. Using an extinguisher instead of calling for backup. Mistake: attempting solo suppression without calling for additional resources. Consequence: fire spreads, you get overwhelmed, response is delayed. Best practice: as a rule, if one extinguisher doesn't stop the fire in 30 seconds, call for suppression support. Always inform command before engaging, if on a team deployment. Thank you.